So this project is for the BCITO headquarters. It's a kitchen upgrade. So we've taken out the old kitchen and we're putting in a new one with more of an open floor plan. That's why we're getting rid of this wall. This back wall here, there's going to be the sink, the dishwasher, the oven and stuff. And then over here we're going to have a little island. On the other side it's got some nice bench seats. My name's Tyler Gibbons and I'm 17 years old, straight out of college last year, and I'm doing a carpentry apprenticeship with Maycroft. My dad's a bit of a jack of all trades, so I always helped him around the house and I quite enjoyed it, so I thought it was something I'd like to do for a living, and that I'm so far living up to that. I'm enjoying it a lot.
First thing we had to do once we'd built the cabinets is get it into the buildings. Some of the cabinets by themselves could be bought in, a lot of them couldn't, so you have to break them down and bring them all in pieces.
It's a really cool role, specifically this role, to lead a couple of apprentices and to transfer my skills across to the younger guys. It's been a while since I've put on a kitchen, but as a tradesman it's something that you never forget how to do.
So you say we're putting through the back wall here, the big cabinets where the microwaves, the oven and some storage and stuff's going to go. And then today we've gone through and put up the medium wall and then the archway, and slowly but surely we're getting all those cabinets in. Yeah, the next stage we're going to make it look pretty. So it's all of our seam sides, making it look tidy, putting all of the drawer fronts and the doors on.
Coming onto this job, the experience has been really good. One-on-one with the site manager. He's taken me through step by step. He's got me to do most of the work, so I'm learning and doing the experience myself, making mistakes and learning how to fix them as well.
And it's also good to work with such a young guy like Tyler as a 17-year-old. I don't think I've worked with a 17-year-old for a long time. It's just to see the skill level that he's at.
When you're in the factory, everything is done to, what the plan says. When you get on site, things might have to change.